Let's make a start connected to election news, and this one's coming in from West Bengal. This is in a statement now that has come in with less than 3 days left for West Bengal to go into the third phase of polling. Our correspondent Tanima Biswas there has spoken with the ISF leader Abbas Siddiqui. He is a cleric of the influential Furfura Shrine. His party started to play an important role in the third phase here, but he's denied any charges of being a polarizing or communal figure. Siddiqui, though, has said he's looking to gain support, not just from Muslim voters, but Hindus as well. Here's a part of that conversation there.
इस बार का जो चुनाव है बंगाल का वो बहुत ही पोलराइज्ड चुनाव है, राइट? हाउ डू यू रिएक्ट, बिकॉज दे लुक एट यू आल्सो एज अ पोलराइजिंग पर्सन. आई मीन नॉट जस्ट यू, देयर आर सेवरल लीडर्स दे माइट पॉइंट एट एंड के पोलराइजिंग लीडर हैं. आप उस बारे में आपके क्रिटिक्स को क्या बोलना है?
देखिए, कोई भी चुनाव हो उसका अहम तो है. इस बार पोलराइजिंग है, दूसरे बार नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ, इस बार थोड़ा धर्म के लेके राजनीति चल रहा है. ये किसने बनाए हैं? ये महल तो ममता बनर्जी ने बनाए. 2011 के आगे बंगाल में ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. दूसरा बात है, 2019 में ये पोलराइजेशन के हिसाब से, धर्म के आधार से, डिवीजन के हिसाब से ही तो बीजेपी ने 18 सीट मिल गए. तब तो हमने पार्टी नहीं बनाए थे. मगर मेरा मानना है, जो जब हम पार्टी बनाए और संयुक्त मोर्चा के साथ हम लोग गठबंधन किए हैं, तब से हर धर्म का लोग हम एक साथ हो रहे हैं. इसके लिए ममता की भी नुकसान हो रहा है, बीजेपी के भी नुकसान हो रहे हैं. हम देख रहे हैं ज़्यादातर गैर इस्लाम भी मुसलमान को छोड़ के सब भाईजान भाईजान पुकार रहे हैं हमको. सब हमको चाह रहे हैं. हमारे हिंदू माँ भी बोल रहे हैं, बाबा तुम चिंता मत करो, हम तुम्हारे आशीर्वाद कर रहे हैं. ठाकुर माँ भी बोल रहे हैं, दादू भी बोल रहे हैं. सब चाह रहे हैं. क्यों नहीं चाहेंगे? मैं भी तो इसी मिट्टी का, पश्चिम बंगाल का ही लड़का हूँ. है, हम मुसलमान हैं, इस्लाम के रहन मानते हैं, मगर इसी का तो है. हमारे जो सीट दिए हैं जितना, उसमें से ज़्यादातर गैर मुसलमान हैं. मुसलमान कम दिए हैं, ज़्यादातर गैर मुसलमान दिए हैं. दूसरा बात है, अगर सही से वोट हुआ तो मेरा मानना है जहाँ जहाँ हम सीट दिए हैं, हर पूरा जगह, सब जगह हम जीत जाएंगे.
Our correspondent Tanima is getting us further details here. Tanima, on the campaign trail there, this is what Abbas Siddiqui states. But it's also with respect to his own ally there, or just the left, the Congress there as well. With what he alleges, the Congress party missing in action for campaigns or sharing campaign stage with them. Is this an indication that the Congress is still uncomfortable with this alliance here?
In fact, that is something that we have also noticed on the campaign trail, as you said, Seher, that the Congress has been conspicuously missing. I have, of course, been going around a few places here in West Bengal, especially in the Jungle Mahal area, and after that Nondigram, and now in the surrounding areas of Kolkata. What we have in fact seen is, yes, there's Trinamool and of course BJP. Those are the two parties that people are looking at. Every move of their movement is being tracked in that sense. But as far as the left is concerned, yes, even though she was the third contender and not so much in the spotlight, we did see Meenakshi of the left campaigning there in Nondigram. But what about the Congress? In fact, it is primarily Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary who has been left to, in a way, do whatever campaigning that the Congress can here in Kolkata or even in prominent parts of Bengal. But there, Abbas Siddiqui, if we can play out that part of the interview as well, actually says that what about the main mass leaders of Congress? And he named Rahul Gandhi and essentially said that Rahul Gandhi, comparing to the time that he went for Bihar elections, that he had in fact campaigned at that time when, of course, Congress was in alliance with the RJD there. But what about here in Bengal? We've, of course, already reported on the fact that there's been a bit of a tension within the Congress because of ISF. And the fact that there were people within the Congress who thought and looked at Abbas Siddiqui as a communal figure, as a polarizing figure. And there had, in fact, been a bit of, cold shouldering, so to speak, that Abbas Siddiqui or ISF felt that Congress was, in fact, giving to them. And even now, what we can see is Abbas Siddiqui is openly criticizing Congress and, for that matter, naming Rahul Gandhi, saying, where is a prominent Congress face campaigning here in Bengal, though he says that he will continue to support the candidates from Congress who have been fielded as part of the alliance in the state.
But Tanima, is that a sentiment equally expressed by the other alliance partner, the left here as well, or is it just Abbas Siddiqui wanting to needle the Congress here on this?
So essentially what we have gathered is that, of course, the left is keeping, tight-lipped on this entire matter. They, of course, what is being, largely perceived as that the Congress, the left rather, probably needs ISF a lot more in order to revive is in fact been in a very uncomfortable situation right from the beginning. Though we did see Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary coming out and saying that, it was a decision taken by the High Command and that he also stood by it, and despite the differences and the dissent within, that they went ahead with this particular alliance and finally came to a seat sharing formula as well with the ISF. But nonetheless, what we can in fact see on the ground here clearly is palpable, the fact that there is no rally or major Congress face that we can in fact see taking part in the alliance's strategy. In fact, I was there in Nondigram for so long. I did not see a single Congress leader actually coming out in support. There were a few left rallies that we could see, much smaller in comparison to the BJP or the TMC, but nonetheless it was there. But there was really limited, if at all, support from the Congress on the ground in terms of a big face actually coming out in a key constituency, the constituency in Bengal elections like Nondigram. Even there was no prominent Congress face who was out there campaigning for the left candidate there.
All right. Well, Tanima, many thanks for sharing your views there on that, on what you've observed yourself, apart from just an Abbas Siddiqui statement that you got us, on what you yourself has observed as well as big faces of the Congress missing in action on the campaign trail there in Bengal.